been getting a lot of questions, comments, and emails about how to insert an image into Google Slides because I know you want to show me how you designed your robot. This tutorial is specifically for those students who are using a computer to do their work. First, I'm going to click on the Google Slides. And once it opens, I'm going to go to the second slide. The slide says Insert Image. So how do I do that? Simple. I come up here and I click the word Insert. Once I do, a pop-down menu will pop up. And the very first thing is Image. I'm going to click here or hover my mouse over the word Image, and then I'm going to click Upload from Computer. Remember, you have to upload your image to the computer, maybe by AirDrop, maybe by email, before you get to this step. I happen to have my image right here on the desktop, and so I'm going to simply click Open. Once I do, I see my image. Now, I'm not done yet. There's a few things that I can do to make this slide look better. First, I can delete this text box because I've already inserted my image. To do that, simply click on it, make sure you have a blue line around it, and click the delete button. The second thing that I can do to make this look better is I can center my image. By simply clicking inside and then holding the mouse as I drag to the place where I want the image, I can now make my image look better. Remember, the red lines that you see are guides to center things vertically and horizontally. The third thing that I can do is make this image a bit bigger so that everyone can see my amazing work. To do that, I'm going to hold the Shift key. And if you remember from years past, I've always said never pull up or down or side to side, but instead use the anchors around the corners. So here, 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 or here. That way your image won't distort and look weird. If you hold Shift, everything will stay exactly the way that it's supposed to. And if I click and drag, and then I just move this, it looks a lot better. And that's how to insert an image into your Google slide.